So class 2, now we have to do part 3 for role of computer, that is lesson number 2. So let's continue. Page number 16. Now we have to do computers at home or computers at railway station and airport. First, let's check how we can use computer at home. For playing games, you can play online games like car racings or puzzles, etc., according to your choice. So this is how one way of using computer at home. Second point is for watching movies. You can watch movies or cartoons on the computer, especially nowadays, as outdoor games or playing with your friends in the playground is not safe, right? So at home you can play or watch movies on the computer. Third point is maintaining monthly expenses. Children, you can also use computer for making list of things you need at home or you want to buy. What are the things you need to buy? So you can make all those lists on computer. In that way, you can calculate your monthly budget, right? So instead of making list on a piece of paper or in notebook, you can use computer for that. All right. So in 3 ways, we can use computer at home for playing games, watching movies, and maintaining monthly expenses. All right. Fourth one is listening to songs. Obviously, you can listen to songs, listen to music of your choice, of your wish. Also, you can hear the story when you are bored at home. And last point under it, doing homework. Very important. Children, you can use computer also for doing your homework, right? And once you saved your work in computer, it never be lost. I hope you all know this, right? So you can check that work anytime later. All right. So five points for computer are used at home for. So there are 5 points for it. Now computer at railway station and airport. Most of you might have seen computers at railway station or at airport, right? Let's read how computer is being used there. So first one is for reservation and cancellation of tickets. Reservation means booking of a ticket. And I hope you all have heard this word, because whenever in summer vacations or summer holidays we go out for vacation or to visit our relatives who are far from us, we go by train or by flight, and for that we need to book our tickets. So for that purpose, to reserve or to cancel the tickets, computer is being used at railway station or at airport. All right. Next is keeping records of arrival and departure of trains and flight. At railway station or at airport, so many trains and flights are there respectively, right? Just take an example of Pathankot railway station. There are so many trains. Some are moving from the station, some are standing there, some are coming to the station. So to keep the record of each train, that which train is going where, at what time, and also which train is coming to the station, over which track, and at what time, etc. All these records they keep in the computer. So for keeping the records of trains and flights, they use computer at railway station or at airport. Okay, now next, page number 17. Computers in hospitals and computers in entertainment. First is computers in hospital. Nowadays, computer is being widely used in the hospitals. So first is for keeping record of the patients. What kind of records? Like keeping record of the patient name, contact number, room number, disease, etc. Also billing information of the patient in records. So all the records, for keeping those records, they use computers. Next one is diagnosing the disease. Diagnosing means identifying the nature of the illness or other problem. What is the problem? To identify the problem, they use computers. So many, or we can say most of the tests which is done in the hospitals is on computer only. All right. Next, preparing medical report. Also for preparing medical reports, uh, nowadays whenever you go to any hospital for a checkup, routine checkup, they always give you computerized or printed medical report. Very few use pen paper for writing the reports, but otherwise they use only printed medical reports. So for preparing those medical reports, they use computer. So this is how computer is being used in the hospital for keeping records of the patient, diagnosing the disease, preparing the medical report. Next topic is computer in entertainment. This one is too simple. For entertainment means for fun. How can we use it for fun? How can we use computer for fun? So the first one is again playing games. This you already know, right? Playing games, we can use computer for playing games. What else? For making drawings, like you drew drawings in your drawing notebook, in the same way you can do drawings in computer too. And also you can fill colors into it to make it look more beautiful. And the third one, the last one in this, under this entertainment, is watching or making cartoons, or watching animated movies, or listening to music, right? Will you enjoy doing all this? Yes? So this is how we use computer for entertainment, for playing games, for making drawings, watching and making cartoons. Now page number 18. Open this page in your box. Impact of computer. What is the meaning of impact? In simple words, impact mean we can say its effects. What are the effects of computer? So impacts of computer. First, we have to do in classroom. I hope you all understood this point, that what are its impact of what are the impact of computer in our classroom. Let's read a line from your book first. A teacher can teach and deliver her lecture by using smartboard, which is connected to a computer. Like in your school also, teachers use smartboard, right, to teach you, and smartboard is connected to a computer. Okay. Also, teacher can use internet to check the latest information on any topic. So teacher use internet for updation, or to check the latest information regarding any topic or any changes related to any topic. So they can check the updation or latest information by using internet on computer. Now, what is internet? In simple words, I can say that internet is network of network. Means it is the largest computer network connecting millions of computers around the world for sharing knowledge. Just remember this, that what is internet? Internet connects different computers with each other. Suppose one computer is in India, one computer is in Canada. So with the help of internet, we can connect those two computers with each other. All right. Understood? Let's move on. At home. Impact of computer at home. You can also search on any topic related to your syllabus. So children, not only teachers can check the latest information or regarding any changes on any topic, you can also check, find out any topic or related to any, search information related to any topic or related to your syllabus on computer. Or you can chat with your friends and family members through computers. Like we all use mobiles, right, for chatting nowadays. Example, WhatsApp. So we all do chattings with our family members or friends on WhatsApp, right? So on computer also we can do chattings with our family members or friends. In offices, people can do official work at their working place as well as at home through computer by using internet. Like at present time, most of the people do work from home through computers or laptop, by using laptop, right? Because it is not safe going out. So they use computers to do their work, their official work, their office work. In fact, in offices also they use computer to do their work, right? And also in offices, computer reduce lots of manual work, as manual work has been replaced by computerized system such as word processor for creating documents and letters, spreadsheet for maintaining records, doing calculation and accounting, and presentation software for presenting your ideas. So computer already have software for dealing with different types of work, which makes our work easy as well as fast. All right. So this is how computer work in offices and help us and reduce our work, makes our work easy. So children, now we are done with this chapter, and your homework is to complete agree and disagree of this chapter. Just read each point and tick on agree or disagree. All right. For this, I suggest you all to please read the chapter one more time for better understanding. So this is your homework. Okay.